Hi there, welcome to the Peaceful Home. If you're new here, I'm Teresa Elling. I'm a professional organizer, parenting coach, and homeschool mom of 6 graduated kids. And today we are celebrating my first video to hit over 1,000 views. Now, the original video was of the guest house on our property, and my daughter did a tour showing all of her thrifted finds and how she has adjusted to small space living. And so today we're going to look at a few of the changes she's made as well as her simple decorations for Christmas. Here on the front porch is just a very simple welcome mat and cypress wreath. One of the most impactful changes that Joanna and Jesse made was to remove the metal shelving and put in this natural wood shelving from IKEA. It's able to hold all of their large appliances as well as some things that they don't use as often. The flexibility of this unit allowed for the large bulk bins to go down below, and it more than doubled their storage space. It covers the entire wall here, and like I said, it's flexible. Shelves can be moved if needed. There's some kombucha brewing. And of course, this functions as an entryway for them. So there's this side to hang coats and be able to drop things. And then this side, there's a place to put their shoes. Joanna took out the large hutch and put that in the barn for storage. And she also expanded on her basket wall as she thrifted additional baskets. You may recognize this little piece from the tutorial on chalk painted furniture. This is part of the entry as well. Part of the changes came about from the decision to wait and have the baby and give it at least 6 months before finding a place to move. Because of that, they decided to make whatever changes would make their last year here more comfortable. This spice rack is a new addition, as well as this little cart. We also built this little shelf to go over the back of the stove, just allowing for some more storage. Installing a magnetic knife holder enabled them to get rid of the knife block that took up counter space, and it got the knives out of the way of a toddler's reach. Another big change was moving the play area from here, as well as the little coffee bar that was on the wall. The play area got moved across the room. This enabled them to have a table that seats 6. They also removed the high chair and added a booster with a tray for Nehemiah. Another addition was the shelves above the dresser. And the first sliding barn door here is the nursery. And the second is the bathroom and laundry room. This room was designed to be a very small bedroom or a walk-in closet. The nursery's tiny, but just enough room for a crib or a twin mattress and a changing table and dresser. There are other closet options, but for now, a toddler, this works just fine for a hanging shelf. This beautiful natural cradle is for the baby, with a little mini one for baby dolls. This space just came out really nice. Plenty of space for bins, for toys, and play kitchen. They did replace the rug with this blue and white one, which is a little more neutral. Though there is a small bathroom and nursery, which could double as a walk-in closet, It's really like a studio apartment, and they are able to fit a king-size bed in this tiny space. Let's take another look and focus on the bits of Christmas that Joanna has sprinkled throughout her home. Very simple, but very beautiful. There's more to come this December 2020, more Christmas decor, more Christmas traditions, recipes, all kinds of things. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Also be on the lookout for more tiny space living, minimalism, and organizing for your home, especially in the new year. Have a great day.